The P0128 code indicates that the engine coolant temperature remains below its thermostatic regulation threshold. In simple terms, it means your car's engine isn't reaching its optimal operating temperature quickly enough or isn't maintaining it. The main component that regulates this is the thermostat. The most common symptoms are obviously the check engine light being on, but you'll also notice that the engine temperature gauge takes a long time to rise or never reaches its normal temperature, increased fuel consumption, and that the interior heater isn't working as well as usual. If the P0128 appears, the first thing to do is check the code with an OBD2 scanner. The most common cause is a faulty thermostat, or one that is stuck in the open position. This causes coolant to constantly circulate through the radiator, preventing the engine from reaching its ideal temperature. Also, check the coolant level. A low level can cause inaccurate readings. Make sure the coolant temperature (ECT) sensor is working properly. A faulty sensor can send erroneous readings to the computer. If left unattended, a constantly cold engine will experience increased internal wear, significantly increase fuel consumption and skyrocket emissions, which could lead to a failure at your vehicle inspection. Additionally, excess fuel in a cold engine can dilute the engine oil, reducing its lifespan.